Want to create a password database in KeePassXC? A password database is where KeePassXC securely stores your usernames, passwords, notes, and other sensitive information. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a new password database in KeePassXC step by step and protect it with a strong master password. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. On the Welcome screen, select the option to create a new database. This will start the setup process for your encrypted password vault. Next, enter a name for your password database. You can use a simple name that helps you identify the file, such as personal passwords or password vault. You can also add an optional description if you want to include additional information about the database. Now review the database encryption settings. KeePassXC uses encryption to protect the information stored inside your database. For most users, the default settings are recommended, so you can continue with the standard configuration unless you have a specific reason to change them. Next, create a strong master password. This is the main password you'll use to unlock your entire database, so it's extremely important to choose one that is strong, unique, and memorable. Never share your master password with anyone, and avoid using a password that you already use for another account. Finally, choose a secure location and save your password database file. After the database is created, KeePassXC will open your new password vault. From here, you can start creating groups and adding password entries for your different accounts. And that's how to create a password database in KeePassXC. Once your database is created and protected with a strong master password, you can safely begin adding and organizing your login information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.